Hello students, welcome to Easy Elimu Learning Simplified. I am your teacher, Mr. Stanley Ombogo. So dear students, in our previous video, we looked at some of the, one of the topics that we have in functional skills, Form 3. And again, in this video, I want us to look at the same, that is another topic that we have under functional skills. Again, Form 3 work. So in the previous video, we looked at that is how to write notes of thanks. So in this session, dear students, prepare yourselves as we look at that is congratulation notes or congratulatory notes. That is what these notes are and how to write them. So just as it is good to thank people, dear students, it is equally important to share in their good fortune. We should therefore, congratulate people on achievements such as, job promotion or class, retirement, graduation. There are new titles that people get each day, new jobs, scholarship, and very many things. So talking about congratulatory notes, dear students, these are notes that we write to recognize the accomplishments by others. So writing a congratulatory note adds warmth to the relationship that exists between you and those other people. So again, just like I've mentioned, some of the reasons why we write our congratulations and notes are in case of the following achievements. So I talked about promotion, that is either a job or class, retirement, graduation, new title, new job, scholarship, a successful speech, birth, engagement. You can also write a congratulatory note to a friend who was just married or a friend who has been married. And lastly, you can also do these notes when, let's say, congratulating someone who has won a competition. So, dear students, how about we look at the elements of congratulatory notes? That is the do's when writing congratulatory notes. So, talking about the do's, I'll start by mentioning the date, which is the first thing. So, when writing the date, dear students, remember to always use the right format. Avoid using dashes or forward slash to separate the year, the month, and the day. So the correct format for writing the date, you're advised to start, that is by writing the day. So if it is 9th, you write 9th, followed by the month. So if it is the month of October, for example, you write October, followed by a comma, then you write the year 2027. So that is the correct format for writing the date. So remember that if you use an incorrect format, then that is penalized. That is penalized. Now, let's move to salutation. So because this note is kind of informal. When I say it is informal, it means that it is written to people you know very well, people you are familiar with. So under salutation, we can use words like dear friend, or you can mention the name dear John, for instance, or dear nephew, dear niece, and so on. Remember, this is a letter. This is a note, sorry, and not a letter. It is a note and not a letter. So apart from that, we also have the body. So before I proceed to the body, remember that the salutations are followed by a comma before proceeding to the body. So when you're developing the body of your note, dear students, always ensure to write, the letter is normally written after hearing the news. So you are advised to write so on after hearing the news. And again, when writing, the word congratulations must come early because it is the key word. It is the key word. The letter is all about, or the note, sorry, is all about congratulating somebody. So the word congratulation should appear early in your note. And again, tell the person how impressed you are about their achievements. So if you are writing a note, for instance, congratulating somebody on maybe a given achievement, let me talk about passing highly in their exams, then you are supposed to show them that you are impressed. You are impressed by that achievement that they have made, and that achievement of theirs is like your own. It's like you're also benefiting from that achievement, even if it is indirectly. So another thing, as you conclude your paragraph, also ensure that you express your wishes for the person's continued success. What do I mean by that is expressing your wishes for the person's continued success? This simply means that in your note, you are supposed to tell them that you still pray for them that they continue achieving more and more in the foreseeable future or in the near future. So express your wishes for the person's continued success. Then the last bit or the last part is the closing of these notes. So when closing your note, dear student, always use a closing remark. So a closing remark, sometimes called a complimentary closure. These are words that we use to end the notes. So you can use the words such as sincerely, cordially, regards, best wishes, yours truly, etc. So remember, you only say sincerely or yours truly if you know the person you are writing to, meaning that the examples that we have are the correct ones and are the ones that are most commonly used. So I have a sample here. So before I proceed to the sample, sorry, I haven't completed. So I was talking about the closing. So after giving the closing remark, provide your name in the right order. So the closing remark comes first, followed by the name. Don't make a mistake of writing your name and that is following with the closing remark. That is penalized. So here is a sample of a congratulatory note, and I'll just go through it real quick so that it helps you develop a good congratulatory note. 18th August 2024 is the date. Dear Mwamburi, hearty congratulations on your promotion to the position of sales manager. To me, the news did not really come as a surprise, for I have always believed you have what it takes. If anybody deserved that post, you certainly did. Knowing you, I am sure you will not rest on your laurels and will soon climb a notch higher. Best of luck in your new duties, your friend Combo. So that is a sample of a congratulatory note that can guide you and help you write a congratulatory note that is even better. So dear students, that marks the end of the session. Again, thank you for keeping it easy, Limu, and thank you for staying tuned till the end. I am your teacher, Mr. Stanley Ombogo. Until next time, bye.